My article is rank number 3 for this keyword. It is rank number 2 for this keyword. And when I search for this keyword, my article is ranked number 1. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create a blog post using AI that ranks high on Google. To find keywords, you first need to select a niche. AI tools, crypto, health, those are niche. I select C++ for programming. First type C++ and search and add some letters to it, as well as show you some keywords. And after you get the results, if you scroll down, you will get some more ideas. The best way to see their search volume is Google Keyword Planner. You will come to this page by signing in. Click here for discover new keywords. Select all location here and click here for get results. Here you can find out how many searches are given per month and about the competition. You will get the PDF on the description here to write the article. First, give the URL of your website. Paste your select keyword on the place where the keyword is written. Copy everything and give it to Claude AI. After a while, you will get the results. Copy them by clicking on the copy on the right side and rewrite them and add them at the end of the prompt on the second page. Now your article will be 100% original. You can use this article on your website. But if you make some more changes yourself, it will be safer.